Hi, welcome to Eneo. Today we're going to talk about our burners. For the past 16 years, there's a lot of questions from our customers regarding our burners. Customers always have concerns about how to select the right burner for them. And they always ask us, what's the difference between an expensive burner and an economic style burner? What is the difference between a compact burner and a standard model? Today, we're going to solve all these problems together. First, one of the key elements for a burner is the flame power. How strong do you want your burner to be when doing the cooking? Second, we have to consider how to do maintenance on these burners in order for it to have a longer life expectancy. Third, regarding to the spare parts, will it be easy for the customers to have access to these spare parts? And also, is it easy to install these spare parts? Finally, for the after-sales service, does the supplier provide a good warranty along with a good after-sales team? Throughout our 16 years of experience, we have encountered with many different styles of customers, and we are confident we can select the right burner just for you.